You may or may not have noticed the short van in our videos. We haven't talked a lot about it, but it's been featured in at least 4 videos. And today, you guys will know the story of the Shorty van and how it came to be. About a year ago, I set the ball in motion to restore this parts van. This van had sat in Bill's backyard for many years before I met him, and the minute I saw it, I kind of fell in love with the shape of it. It supposedly had a rebuilt engine. At this point, I had driven a Sprinter for a little bit, but I still didn't know much about the mechanics. So Bill and I decided to work together to pull the head off of this van. The injectors were out of it, so it was full of rainwater and gunk by now. So we wanted to look at the pistons and also make sure we drain all of the old crappy watery oil out of it. So,
yeah, it is. All right. And we hung up. Okay, sit there. Pull this down and through. Oh, and our head gasket. Okay. Huh, that doesn't belong in there. Plastic clip off of something. Well, none of those look tortured. That actually looks all right. Oh yeah, I'm just supposing this engine has not run since it was built. Yeah, that's definitely a new head gasket. It's beat now.
It looked like a rebuilt engine. So we decided to put it all back together. With a new head gasket, of course.
What's the analysis? Tops of those heads don't look anything at all like what I just saw at the Sprinter shop. This piston is top dead center right now. We need to, before we reassemble everything, specifically the timing, we gotta get this one around the top dead. This one, yeah. Oh boy, that doesn't turn. If I turn it now, God only knows what's gonna happen to that.
Unfortunately, I didn't get much footage after that, so enjoy us putting it back together. I also didn't have any pictures of what it looked like when we started, but I know we had to put numerous accessory components on it, and we bought 5 supposedly remanufactured injectors to put in to test. Here's a look at everything with the head back on. Ready to put injectors, vacuum pump, and high pressure fuel pump on. Now let's put some injectors in and try to start it. Obligatory leak off test before we trash the injectors.
All right. Oh yeah, it's leaking like hell from the exhaust over here. Yeah, it sounded like it was firing a little quicker too. There it goes. A little better.
The injectors that came with the van just weren't going to cut it at all. So we put 5 remanufactured injectors in.
Turn the key on a couple of times before trying to start. Try to push any air through.
Okay. There's once. Twice. Should I try?
Here goes nothing. And it started! Yay!
Well, that's what's supposed to happen, isn't it?
No, but she's moved, which is impressive.
Yeah, under her own power.
Yeah. Ooh, you're blowing out all kinds of smoke from the back.
Yeah, I bet.
That smoke was a sign that our injectors probably weren't any good, but we gave it the benefit of the doubt and continued to hook up the turbo system anyway.
Holy shit. Oh god, it's got a backup alarm. Oh shit.
Once we parked it, we put everything else back together, and when the white smoke didn't clear, we put 5 brand new injectors in.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Once we drove it around a little bit more and improved it, we decided to give it a fresh paint job. As you can see, it cleaned up really well. It looks like a brand new van now. In part 2, we'll talk about how I converted the inside.